Oh, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
I'll be giving names that Srila Prabhupada gave to disciples, so the new initiates will get a name of a disciple of Srila Prabhupada as a spiritual name. Yeah. So, please tell me 4 regulated principles.
No meat eating, no intoxication, no gambling, and no illicit sex.
And how many rounds minimum to be
16.
chanted daily?
Minimum 16 rounds.
All right. The name is Giripati Das. Little change. So Giripati means Krishna or Shiva, Lord of the Hill. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Yeah, so say the principles.
No meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling. Chant minimum 16 rounds daily.
All right, Jai. So this is the name given by Srila Prabhupada. It's the name of one of the associates of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nayani Hora Das. You'll find this name in Caitanya-caritamrta.
No illicit sex, no intoxication, no meat eating, and no gambling. And I vow to chant 16 rounds minimum daily.
All right. Suresha Das. A well-known name of the Supreme Lord, which means the Lord of all the devotees, of all the demigods. It's there in Bhagavad-gita and so many other places. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Arms, you can put your arms out long. And now it's getting darshan of the backside here. Many things to teach. Okay. It should actually be with an A at the end in Sanskrit.
No gambling, no meat eating, no intoxication, and no illicit sex. And minimum 16 rounds every day.
All right. So the name is Tapas Das. It's the name of Krishna. It's the name of Krishna, which means he is austerity personified. Yeah, take those beads. You have family members here?
Yeah, yes, Maharaj. My mother is here.
I see. Oh, okay. Coming from? They're here in Atlanta?
Yeah, they live here in Atlanta.
Okay. Okay. Say it all.
No illicit sex, no gambling, no meat eating, and no intoxication, Maharaj. I vow to chant minimum 16 rounds of the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra.
Daily.
Daily.
All right. Giriraja. When we think of Giri, we usually think of Giri Govardhan. It's also a name of Krishna. We'll find in the 1,000 names of Balakrishna. And it's also a name of Balaram in the 1,000 names of Balaram. And it's also a name of a personality in the Srimad Bhagavatam. So you've got many meanings. And it also it means something very big and great. So you're the servant. Your family? Any other families here? Grandmother's here. Grandmother's and brother. Okay.
Giri's mother is here.
Yeah.
Giri Prabhu's mother is here.
Uh-huh. And Hare Krishna. And your brother and sister they came this time? Yeah. Okay. Hare Krishna. Oh. Oh, okay. All right. Well, it's all one big family anyway. So please say.
No intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling, and no meat eating. And I vow to chant a minimum of 16 rounds daily.
Dirgha Devi Dasi. This is the name of one of Srila Prabhupada's famous artist disciples. Dirgha literally means very long. I didn't find any particular name like that, but it gives any person, but it gives the idea of very great, expansive, like that. So Radha's like that also. Hare Krishna. Be happy. Chant Hare Krishna and be happy. Hare Krishna. That's it. Then Kirtan.
Kirtan. Kirtan.